Hey guys, welcome back to another fresh video. So the date today is 22nd. Yeah, it's Wednesday. So it's time to check out from this room. We were in this place for like 3 days, and this is the view from our room. Yeah, so like we already packed our bags and like we are ready to leave. But, yeah, so this is what it looks like outside the rooms, and those are the mountain ranges. Yeah, so like we'll just do our checkout procedures and then we'll meet you all outside. Yeah, so like we are ready to leave, so we'll just move out now. Waiting for a bus here to come, so they told us that the bus to the city comes over here, so we are just waiting here, and we kept our bags and we are just sitting over here. Yeah, so like so we got into the bus and we already got our tickets. So per head it is costing I think 40, but for us to go to Gandhipur. Just look at like how colorful this temple is. Just have a look at this sleeping beauty. It's not even 5 minutes that we're on the bus and he chose to sleep. We'll just check how deep into sleep he is, okay? I'll just try to pull off his phone. Oh, he is not in that deep sleep after all. So I think there's some festival going on here. So the time right now is 1:30 and we have a bus at 2, but we are like stuck in heavy traffic. I hope we like make it in time. Yeah, so with that we are at the Coimbatore bus stop and we are searching for a bus to go to Kodaikanal now. Yeah, also we are like very hungry. We are looking for chicken or something like non-veg, but let's see if we get it. Yeah, so like we are walking for like past 15-10 minutes. We are still not at the like a private bus stand. So the bus dropped us at the, I think it's a state corporation bus stand. So it's quite hot actually, but not as hot as Goa, but yeah, it is a bit hot. Yes, so that's our bus, and like since we are hungry, like my friend is going to search for something to eat. Like our bags are over here only. So the boarding time was 2. It is like 2 minutes to 2. We'll just wait till then. And I think it's a AC bus also, so the journey will be like, you know, comfortable. So like since there was nothing for us to eat, so we got some banana chips and patties. And we ordered food from Zomato. Like let's see if it comes before bus goes. Which I think it should come because 2 o'clock was the boarding and like it's 2:04, but the boarding is not yet started. So I think it should come in time. We did not have anything much. We took some veg patties. Let's see how they taste. Good. They are very generous actually. I thought they were like, you know, fully veg, but no. So like we are done with the eating part. Now all we have to do is just like, you know, sit and enjoy the journey. So we are still in Coimbatore city. It will take us like around 4 hours I believe to reach Kodaikanal. And like we had ordered for Domino's, sorry, we had ordered on Zomato, but the delivery guy just creating some problems to, like, you know, we are actually going on the same path, but he's just like creating some problems to give it to us early. So let's see how it goes. I'll update you on that. Yeah, so it's like time for our second snack of the day. It's not even 5 minutes that we're on the bus, and we have biscuits, then we have I guess banana chip, and then we have Doritos also. So we'll just keep on eating. Like we are really hungry. We missed this thing, lunch. We thought that we would reach on time, but we did not. So yeah. Yes, so like the journey is going like really good, and you know with the AC I'm feeling a bit sleepy. So this guy is already sleeping. You will just see him, you know, doing like three things. One is the reels, one is free fire, and third is sleeping. Besides these three things, you will not see him doing anything. So like yeah, so I think I'll also go to sleep now. I'll just wait for some time and go to sleep. I was waiting for an order to come, but it's not going to come. So I'll have banana chips maybe, and then I'll like go to sleep. Yeah, so it started raining also. And I'm having banana chips, and this guy is still sleeping. Even my friend is sleeping. Yeah, so it's time for snacks again. We are having caramel popcorn, and you know we got this from Misha Center, and they actually taste good. They really taste good. They taste way better than Inox. You know, the caramel is like evenly distributed, and they taste very good. So it's raining outside, and the bus has stopped for like washroom break or tea break, I think. I went, but I did not like this snacks which were over there. So then I came back. Yeah, so this is the cab that we are taking. So we did not know actually. Just a minute, I'll just put this in. Yeah, so actually we did not know that from Kodai Toll Road, we have to go like 80 kilometers. So we booked a cab. Actually, he's just overcharging us. But then we bargained and we had like a good deal. Sort of a good deal at least. Yeah, so like the time is now 7:40. So yeah, so now we'll leave. I'll just ask him. Okay. Yeah, so just take a look at this DRL. Yeah, so like right now we are on the mountains. It's saying that it will take us another like I think like one and a half an hour to reach our hostel. So we are in the cab now. So still the temperature is like bit normal, not that cold. But we asked a cab driver, so he's saying that like on top it will be more cold. Right now we are driving through the clouds. Cloud yeah, so you know the roads here are pretty well maintained, and like at every turn, every corner, you know they have these signboards, which is you know a really good thing because they don't have street lights here, but the marking is quite good of everything. So we have one man down here, and this one is still awake. Yeah, so like he's out of it. Yeah, so like we are driving through the clouds now. So I think we have around like 15-20 minutes more to reach. So we are come near this check post here. I think they are checking for the permit because in Ooty and Kodaikanal they have started checking for permits. Yeah, so I think they are checking for permit only. Yeah, so I think we are in Kodaikanal now. Yeah, so like we are come to this place. They have biryani it's same, and I am extremely happy. You know, like after 3-4 days I am having chicken. In the Disha Center we could not have chicken, so I am very happy. Even I was just telling this guy that you know, like it's been 3-4 days that I did not have chicken. So this is the place that we are at, and our cab is over there. So the weather here is a bit cold now. I think it's like 12-13 degrees over here. So coming from Coimbatore, which was like almost 30-31, it's good here. Yeah, so like we reached the hostel. So this is a Tripper backpackers hostel. So we just get in and do the check-in. So like very soundful. And this is a biryani. It's come like this, so it will look like this on a banana leaf. And this is pepper chicken, and these are other gravies. So we'll just have that. Yeah. So I was just like watching the game here. So I'm done with that. So now I'll just go to have bath and then I'll go to sleep. I hope you all like the video till here. Till then, see you on the next video. Bye.